let's make an enticing, exquisite dish. Let's make salmon scallop rolls with poblano peppers. Wow! This dish is appetizing and enjoyable. You would like it so much that it will become your favorite. Remember that Cesar told you about it. Let's prepare it. Cut the salmon and the poblano peppers into long, thin strips. Roll with the scallop in the middle and tie with culinary rope. The rolls look so good, it's time to cook them. On a frying pan, put 1/2 cup of olive oil and heat to medium. Place the rolls and saute for 5 minutes on each side and turn off the heat. If you want it well done, cover for 3 to 5 minutes. Do not overcook. Serve with your favorite dish and salad. Today, I'm serving it with savory saffron rice, salsa brava negra, and salad. Friends, look at this tempting, delightful, and exquisite dish. Pardon me, it's time to taste it. Oh my, this dish, in a word, is luscious. I love it. Me encanta. Friends, now is your turn to make it. Don't deprive yourselves of the pleasures and rewards of cooking. Spice your mind, body, and soul.